Hello and welcome to this short demonstration of the new features of Jet Global Financial Reports 2019. So as well as being rebranded from Jet Reporting to Jet Global, there's been some improvements into a number of the reporting engines available from Jet across Dynamics GP, Dynamics NAV, Business Central, and of course, Analysis Cubes, Analysis Services, and other forms. So just a brief overview of some of the things that are available in Jet 2019. So they've actually drastically improved report performance, in some cases up to 5 times. So that's great. They have added new report connections to Business Central, as well as the existing Universal, Dynamics GP, Dynamics NAV, Analysis Services. The report wizard has been updated to allow for easier report creation. And there's a new option where if you want to run a report but don't want your Excel to freeze, so you can't do anything else while the report is running, you can silently run reports in the background, and you can do that either from within Excel or by right-clicking on the file. The Jet web portal has been rebranded to the Jet Hub, and this is a great tool to share reports and files across the organisation via a web browser. So within the Jet web portal, you can have Jet reports itself, whether it be financial reports, Jet Analytics, which is the old Jet Enterprise, flat files, and also Jet budgets, and they can be set to be scheduled to run automatically from within the Jet Hub. Jet designers can upload reports to the Jet Hub, and also Jet viewers can actually download Excel reports from the hub to either Excel Online or to their local PC. As I said, the Jet portal can link with financials, analytics, budgets, and flat files. And the new addition to Jet 2019 is the add-in of Jet budgets. And what Jet budgets allows you to do is create your budgets online with links back to your financial system, and the budgets themselves are stored within the Jet Hub themselves on the website, and so you can have multiple budgets without having to have them in your finance system. Another good thing about the Jet budgets on the Hub is that you can set approval hierarchies for budgets. So you can have contributors and authorizers, and only then do they become finalized budgets. Again, you can download the budgets from the Jet Hub into Excel. You can also copy from Excel, or you can enter online. You can also submit budgets directly from Excel into the Jet Hub. And if you're using Jet Financial Reporting, there is an automatic link directly to the Jet budget function within Jet Financial Reporting. So just to show you some of these new features. So before I start, I'm going to show you the Run Silently function. So here is a list of Excel reports I have, and if I right-click, I can run that Jet report silently, so it doesn't even have to be open. So it's a great way of running one or many reports while you're working on other things. Alternatively, when you're in Excel itself, you can also run this in the background to continue with what you're working on. You'll notice I have an upload button here. That is to upload any reports that I have done directly into the Jet Hub. And the Jet Hub can be set with individual user permissions as to who can download, change, run, so on and so forth. There's been an addition of adding report options into the report itself to prevent you having to figure out how to have report runtime options to narrow down the data. Just to show you one of the reports I've already created and run, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open my balances. So I could run this in the background, or I can upload. Well, let's say, for argument's sake, I want to add a new option. So I can go into my design node, and you'll see my options become available. I can click on report options, and you'll see I have now my report options set to death. So I can create another one quite easily, and then link to a range of lookups if I so desire. With regard to report runtime, I can quickly run this report. And you'll see that's very, very quick now. What I can also do is once it's run, I can click upload, and that will upload to the Jet Hub, as I said. So just moving quickly over to the Jet Hub. Depending on your license, you can have an unlimited number of Jet viewers, and that is based simply on your Windows login. So once you've logged in, you'll be presented with a range of folders, files, reports, so on and so forth that either you've decided to see or someone's published to you. So within my Jet Hub, I have got my reports page showing. I've created a couple of folders, one of actual budget, one of sales reports. And what you'll see is from here, what I can do is if I click upload, I can choose where within my hub I would like my report to go. And once it's finished, what I can then do, I can run, I can download, I can copy. So I just click run. What will happen within the portal, it then asks me what my criteria are. So you've got a more degree of self-service. Users don't have to come to finance to run reports. They can be published to whoever across the organisation, provided you've added them into the license. In addition to this, as said, we've added in budgets. Now the budgets are very, very simple to use, and these can be done at an account code level, at an individual segment level, and you can create your own ranges. And just a quick overview on what we've got here. I'm just going to go into my details. And here I have a range of budgets. Now you can assign different people, different levels of approver, contributor, different levels of authorization within any of these budgets. And what you can then do within the portal itself, you can have a look at the data, then you can amend and add your own figures, so on and so forth. Alternatively, what I could do is I could create what's known as templates, so it's predefined Excel-based budget layouts, and assign them to specific individuals, so that when they log into the hub, they can see a specific report. So I'm just going to my central salaries and I'm going to download this. Here's my Excel report. What I can now do is I can change my figures and send directly to my Jet budget, which I can then very, very easily report on within Jet Financials. And there we have it, just a very, very quick overview of the new features of Jet 2019. If you'd like any more information, then either get in touch with myself, simon.nicholson@advantage.co.uk, or info@advantage.co.uk, or speak to your Advantage account manager. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.